Hello, I'm MightyJ Cosplay, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn from this to this. I start tracing my face using the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in shade All Around White. Then I start filling the mask using the Marin Paradise paint in white. I prime my lips with a thin layer of white lipstick. I normally do it at the beginning before applying the body paint, but this time, I just forgot about it. Once it's done, I start shading using the Marin Paradise paint in Storm Cloud Grey. Since it's hard to shade over white body paint and to get smooth gradients, I'm shading in a different way. Basically, I start by applying another layer of white body paint next to the area where I will apply gray. Then I apply gray and drag a little bit of it to the area where I just reapplied the white body paint. This is mostly to prevent having too much white body paint coming off and getting more see-through and less coverage. So also the fact that the white body paint is still a little bit wet also helped to blend easier with the gray body paint and to get smoother gradients. I do this process 2 times for each part where I'm shading with gray in order to get that smooth gradient. Then I'm basically just repeating that whole process on all of my face, mostly on the areas that are more toward the upper side or toward the outside of my face. I then repeat a similar process for the gray line in the middle of the face and some other similar lines near my chin. I start filling the holes near my eyes with the Marin Paradise paint in light blue. Then I shade around and mostly the top part of those holes with the Marin Paradise paint in sky blue. Then I fill the other holes of the mask using the Marin Paradise paint in black. I applied white eyeliner on my waterlines, then I'm completing the makeup on my eyelid using the Makeup Forever Flash palette. So I start by completing the white lines of the mask, then filling the rest of my eyelid with the blue from the palette. Once it's done, I set the light blue body paint with a light blue metallic eyeshadow. Then I redo the shading, going over the dark blue body paint with a darker blue metallic eyeshadow. I set the white body paint with a white shimmery eyeshadow. Especially for a white surface like that, I used the Wet n Wild eyeshadow single in shade Sugar. Then I'm deepening the shade and kind of outlining the holes using a very dark blue metallic eyeshadow and a liner brush. Then I'm topping the shading I did with the gray body paint with a gray matte eyeshadow. To avoid picking up too much gray eyeshadow because it may look too dark on the white body paint, I first dip my brush in the white eyeshadow and before dipping it into the gray eyeshadow, so it helped to pick up less pigment and to blend better without going too dark. At some spots, I'm deepening the shade even more by adding a touch of black eyeshadow with a liner brush. Then I'm using another brush to smudge it a little bit to blend it just a little with the gray eyeshadow and shading that I did earlier. And this is the final result. So I did a cosplay SFX makeup of Orvar, the All Form from Magic the Gathering. Basically the guy that appeared on this magic card that just released in the new set, Kaldheim. So I hope you really enjoyed the video. If so, please feel free to give a like and subscribe to the channel for more cosplay SFX makeup tips and tricks and cosplay SFX makeup tutorials. And I hope to see you in another video. Bye!